friends. I'm so grateful for all your support to me. We love Rosemary's Toys, we can do it. Remember, nothing is impossible. Blessings and love to you, my beautiful friends.
Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel Rosemary Toys. Yay! Today we're going to continue working with our scrapbook. Yes, and we're going to use this pretty color red and some stickers. I hope you like and enjoy with me. Please, if you're watching this video and you are not yet subscribed, please do, and thank you so much. Like, comment and share. From the bottom of my heart, I'm so grateful for all your support to me, and also Laurie, thanks so much. Amigos, vamos a continuar decorando nuestro scrapbook con este bonito color rojo. Espero les guste mucho. Muchas gracias por todo su apoyo. Muchas gracias a las amigas Nadando, Gladys, Clara and also Carolina. Muchas gracias, muchas bendiciones por permitir crear muchos más vídeos para ustedes, amigos. Los quiero mucho y deseo un bonito día. Bye bye.